So we like to think at Millets we're a unique place because we provide local, good food, and we also provide a really nice, safe environment that people can come down with their families, they can spend the day here, they've got things to entertain their kids, animals, playgrounds, fruit picking, and we think it's a great place for the whole family to come. We wanted to really bring the wow factor to our customers, and we came across David Salisbury. The new extension has helped our business massively. Our restaurant is far more efficient. I think the new extension really complements the old building. I like the fact that it does look like an extension, but it's done so tastefully and marries well together with the original building. But it certainly draws the customer's eye to it when people go past, and that's what we were trying to achieve. The designers were fantastic. Their site foreman was just second to none, and he's always still on the end of the phone. So no, I 100% recommend them. You can very much hear the great reaction of people when they come back to our restaurant. You know, wow, what a difference! This is so nice. It's so light. It's so airy. It's such a nice feeling. It makes you feel really proud that you've done it.